This is Just Tool Basics, and today we're talking about pattern markers. Hello everyone, welcome to Just Tool Basics. Today's topic is pattern markers. And what a pattern marker is it is a marker that is designed to reach into deep holes or down the long face of things to mark it. It does that by having a very, very long nose on the marker. So, for example, let's say you have, one of these kind of T-tracks. And these holes are deep inside the track, such that if you have a mechanical pencil, you can get in there with the pencil, but you can't make a round circle because the pencil hits on the face. And so that's a bit of a pain in the ass. A very sharp wooden pencil might work. Sharpie doesn't work. It doesn't fit through because it just bonks into there. So the way you can get around this is with a pattern marker, because it just reaches down there very easily and marks the hole. You can also trace around things, whatever you might need to do that a normal marker can't get into. This one also has a standard chisel tip marker on the back, should you need that. Little pen clip, but of course its major point is the long nose that lets you reach into deep holes or around obstacles or whatever. I have a link in the description for this marker. They're not terribly expensive, and while you might not need it every day, when you do need it, there's really nothing else that gets the job done. So until next time, this is Just Tool Basics.